Hi everyone, and welcome to Byte Masters Academy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the basics of C programming, including basic data types and their range. In this video, we're going to talk about the three main types of data types in the C programming language: primary data types, user-defined data types, and derived data types. Primary data types, also known as built-in data types, are the most basic data types in C. They are provided by the C language itself and cannot be modified or created by the user. There are four primary data types in C: char, float, int and void. User-defined data types are created by the user and can be used to store more complex data structures. There are two types of user-defined data types in C: enum and typedef. Derived data types are created from the primary data types and user-defined data types. There are four types of derived data types in C: pointer, array, structure, and union. In future videos, we will learn more about all the different data types. In this video, we will focus on the primary data types in more detail. The range of data is the set of all possible values that a data type can store. It is important to understand the range of data because it can help you to avoid errors in your code. For example, if you try to assign a value to a variable that is outside of the range of the data type, the compiler may generate an error, or the program may crash. Let's learn more about the values that data types can store. If you've watched our Principles of Computing video series, you'll already have a good understanding of data types under the number system. However, we'll also explain them here, and I suggest watching the other video series for a more in-depth look at how computers store binary values. Let's think of a data type as a container. A container has a certain volume, or capacity, to store. If we exceed the limit, the container may overflow. In the same way, every data type has a certain limit to store. If we exceed the limit, an error will occur. To see this in action, consider the example. We declare a char variable named name, and assign it the character Mike. Then we use the printf function to print it to the console. This code will print the letter E to the console, because the char variable name can only store a single character. Sometimes you may not understand some of the code in this example. Don't worry, we are just beginning to learn. When assigning a value to a char variable, 8 bits of memory are allocated. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that a char variable receives an 8-bit value. Further insights into variables will be explored in the next chapter. Understanding the explanation above helps grasp the specified value ranges for each data type and how to appropriately assign values to them. Additionally, endeavor to comprehend other data types in accordance with this example. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of data types and their ranges in the C programming language. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I hope you've gained valuable knowledge to enhance your programming journey. Keep coding and stay curious. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching.